Hi, this is Galaxy S24 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So let's check our internet connection. Okay, let's go back to the Play Store. So in the search bar enter green Apple keyboard, the name of this app, and now we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's check our new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.